welcome. This video guides you through updating the navigation maps on your Renault Clio 4, 2012 to 2019. Official Renault support has ended, so we'll explore alternative methods to keep your maps current. This is crucial for accurate routing and finding points of interest, especially with roads changing constantly. Due to the vehicle's age, updates are typically manual via USB and require some technical know-how, but are possible with third-party tools. The Clio 4 navigation system comes in two main variants, R-Link 1 for early models and MediaNav for later ones. To check which system your vehicle has, navigate to Settings, then System, and select Version in your car's menu. Knowing your system type is important because the update process and compatible map files can be different between the two systems. R-Link 1 typically uses TomTom maps, while MediaNav may use either Here Maps or TomTom. Renault no longer provides official map update subscriptions for the Clio 4. The last supported updates covered data through 2023-2024. Attempting to use newer, incompatible updates will fail. Renault has shifted focus to newer systems like EasyLink. This means you'll need to rely on community solutions or third-party map providers. Since official Renault updates are no longer available for the Clio 4, explore these alternative map sources. First, check TomTom's standalone update service. You can purchase map updates directly from TomTom, though adapting them for your vehicle's system may require unofficial tools or converters. Second, consider free open-source maps like OpenStreetMap or OSM. Use tools such as Navit navigation software or custom converters to prepare the maps for your system. You can download OSM data directly from their website or through GIS software like QGIS. Keep in mind that compatibility with your Clio 4 system isn't guaranteed, and some solutions require technical expertise to avoid installation issues. To prepare your USB drive for the Clio 4 navigation update, you'll need a drive with at least 16 gigabytes of storage capacity. This ensures there's enough space for the map data. The USB drive must be formatted using the FAT32 file system. This older format is required by the vehicle's navigation system for compatibility. You can check and format the drive through your computer's File Explorer properties. Downloaded map files need to be in a compatible format, such as .meta files for TomTom-based systems or other formats for OpenStreetMap data. The vehicle's system expects specific file structures. You may need unofficial tools, such as the Renault Map Update tool available on online forums, to properly prepare and organize the files on the USB drive. These tools help format the data correctly for installation. Remember, correct formatting and file placement are absolutely critical. Incorrect preparation can prevent the update from working or potentially cause issues with your car's navigation system. To install the navigation update, first insert the prepared USB drive into your Clio 4's USB port, which is usually located near the gear shift. Next, start the car's engine. Make sure the vehicle remains stationary throughout the process. Then, follow the on-screen prompts on your car's display. The update process typically takes between 30 to 90 minutes. Do not turn off the engine, as interruptions can corrupt the system. When updating navigation in your Renault Clio 4, there are significant risks to consider. The most serious is bricking your system, which means rendering it completely unusable and requiring expensive dealer intervention, often costing 200 to 500 euros. Always double-check compatibility before starting any update. Check your system's version through the vehicle's settings menu and ensure the map data is compatible with your specific R-Link 1 or MediaNav system. Back up your existing system if possible. Save current map data to a separate USB drive to allow recovery in case the update corrupts your system. Never attempt updates while driving. The process requires the car to be stationary and may take 30 to 90 minutes to complete, as driving can interrupt the installation and corrupt data. Ensure your car battery is in good condition. Check the voltage. It should be at least 12.6 volts at rest. Power interruptions during the update process can permanently damage the navigation system. As the final step in updating your Clio 4 navigation, let's consider future-proofing with aftermarket options. Given the limitations of the built-in system, replacing the entire head unit with an aftermarket Android-based system offers a comprehensive solution. These modern systems overcome the outdated hardware and lack of official updates by providing a complete replacement. You can see examples of these aftermarket displays here, featuring modern interfaces with app integration. Key features include modern navigation with constantly updated maps, seamless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration for your smartphone, and over-the-air updates that keep everything current without manual intervention. While this requires an initial investment, typically ranging from a few hundred to over €1,000, depending on the quality, it provides a long-term solution for staying connected with modern apps and navigating accurately with reliable, up-to-date maps. This approach transforms your Clio 4 into a vehicle equipped with contemporary technology, ensuring you remain safe and efficient on the road for years to come.